Welcome to another Goodwin English lesson. Today's lesson is another pronunciation lesson, and we are going to study the ah sound as in father. Today's lesson is a beginner pronunciation lesson. The sound we are going to talk about is the ah sound as in father or watch. Before we start, we publish new videos almost every day, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to learn about our latest videos. Also, if my English is difficult for you, turn on the English subtitles, and it may help you understand a little more. The phoneme for this sound looks like this. This is a long sound. To make this sound, open your mouth wide, move your jaw down a little, and keep the back of your tongue down. Watch my mouth as I make this sound. Ah. 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 Now, listen to the sound and repeat after me. Ah. 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 Good. Now let's try it with some words. Watch my mouth and repeat after me. Father. Father. Watch. Watch. Bar. Bar. Car. Car. Good job. Next, we're going to talk about how this sound is often spelled. Usually, this sound will be spelled with an A, like in father, but sometimes it can be spelled with an O, like in top. Often, you will see this spelled with a AR, like star or bar. Let's practice. Please repeat these words. Wasp. Wasp. Calm. Calm. Bother. Bother. Doctor. Doctor. Star. Star. Now, let's practice making these sounds using different phrases. Please watch my mouth, listen, and repeat after me. Number 1. How far is the bar? How far is the bar? Number 2. The park was full of film stars. The park was full of film stars. Number 3. My father had an argument with the guard at the party. My father had an argument with the guard at the party. Number 4. I forgot my wallet at the department store. I forgot my wallet at the department store. Good job. Now we are going to do some practice. Good luck. In this exercise, I want you to listen to a sentence and circle the words you hear. Let's take a look at an example. Here we have our sentence. And here we have two different words, sleep and slip. Listen to the recording and circle which word you hear. Don't sleep now. Did you understand it? The correct answer is sleep. Okay, do the rest of the questions just like that. Good luck. Number 1. He will take care of the herd of sheep. Number 2. Is it very far? Number 3. I heard she got married. Number 4. He broke my heart. Number 5. The new mattress is very firm. Number 6. Let's go to the park. Now, let's go over the answers. Number 1. He will take care of the herd of sheep. The correct answer is herd. Number 2. Is it very far? The correct answer is far. Number 3. I heard she got married. The correct answer is heard. Number 4. He broke my heart. The correct answer is heart. Number 5. The new mattress is very firm. The correct answer is firm. Number 6. Let's go to the park. The correct answer is park. Okay, now let's do another exercise. Please listen and repeat these different pairs of words. A calm argument. A calm argument. The artist's wallet. The artist's wallet. The problem shop. The problem shop. The doctor's father. The doctor's father. A hot holiday party. A hot holiday party. So today we learned the ah sound. This sound symbol is this, and it is used in words like father, car, and park. It is very often spelled using an A, AR, or O. I hope that you learned a lot in today's lesson. Remember, improving your pronunciation takes time. So it's okay to watch this video and do the practice exercises 2 or 3 times. If you liked today's lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. My name is Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.